Hi, this is Eddie with La Familia Rosa. Today we're going to be doing some arroz con gandules. So we're going to look at the ingredients in a few moments, but check out the box below for all the details of how to make arroz con gandules. Here I have the ingredients. You have 4 cups of long grain rice. You have 2 envelopes of sazon Goya, 2 envelopes of jamon. You have 2 cans of Goya pigeon peas. You have half a teaspoon of cumin. You have at least 3 tablespoons of sofrito. I'm going to put the link on how I made my sofrito. So here you have a tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to be using some pork chops. These are like ham pork chops. You have some olives, some cilantro, and then about half an onion, half a green bell pepper, and half of red bell pepper. Here I'm going to start adding the ingredients. We're going to add a couple tablespoons of oil. Let it heat up a little bit. Here I'm adding the pork chops. We're going to saute them to get that nice flavor from them. Make sure you take out the bones. This is going to give it that flavor and the protein, so you can really just eat it by itself. This is a typical dish in Puerto Rico, normally for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and you can make it your own way. There's different kinds of ways to make this dish. You can use Spam instead of pork chops. Some people just do it plain, just with the pigeon peas. This is a nice hearty meal. We're gonna saute this. And I have my stove at around medium high. You can only smell it. It smells delicious. So the pork chop is sweating all those juices. So after about 5 minutes of sauteing, you're going to start adding the ingredients, and in no particular order. And add 2 cans of green pigeon gandules. Gonna add onion powder, salt powder. We're going to be adding sazon Goya too, with cilantro and achote. This is going to give it a nice color and flavor. We're going to add 2 packages of Goya ham. half a teaspoon of cumin, tablespoon of salt, and my 3 tablespoons of sofrito. Make sure to hit the link above so you can see how I made the sofrito. It's a nice sauce base. And we're going to continue to add all the ingredients: onions, bell peppers, here we're going to be adding the cilantro and the olives. You could chop them up or just put them in completely. This is the liquid that came in the 2 cans of green pigeon peas. So I'm going to add it. It made almost 1.25 cups. So after adding the liquid that was in the cans of the green pigeon peas, we're going to let it come to a boil. Look how beautiful, aromatic this looks. It's going to be so delicious. We're going to continue with some Bijol. This gives it a nice yellowish color. I'm going to add the 4 cups of rice. I pre-washed it. That's my choice. We're going to keep this to a boil. So we're going to add about 5 cups of water, and this is including the liquid that I put in from the cans of pigeon peas. So always remember to pour hot liquids into a pot that already has hot liquid. Look how beautiful this looks. It smells amazing. After you pour in all your liquid, check for salt and pepper. Delicious. We're gonna let this boil for a couple of minutes so it could reduce a little bit. It's on high at the moment, and we're gonna bring it down to medium low, cover it for around 20 to 30 minutes, and then toss it. So see you in a couple of minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Make sure you hit that like button and share. Leave me a comment below and tell me what you want me to cook for you. Bye.